What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. Today we're gonna see if we can get all the flashing cut and bent. See if we can get it put up. The only thing after that we're only waiting on are the windows. From there it'll just be getting the interior done. So let's see what we can get done today. Alright, YouTube, don't murder me. I don't do this for a living. It's just something I look at and say, I think I can do this. So if I did something out of the ordinary or not the correct way, it's just how it ends up. It's my supervisor for today, Ruger. So yeah, again, I don't do this for a living. I don't do anything close to this for a living. This is stuff that anyone can do. I might not do it the way a professional does it, but in the end, it gets done.
Close your eyes, hear the voice within calling. This heavy load got under your skin, hauling. You got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feelings bottled up inside, heading for collision in the night. To really live, you gotta die. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors. Right. You're so good at dragging yourself down. Why? Well, You got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feelings bottled up inside. Heading for collision in the night. To really live, you gotta die.
This is probably some of the sketchiest ladder climbing I've done. That's 20 feet up. It's overlooking a cliff. My mother would not approve. That's going to wrap it up for the flashing. Can't say I ever want to do that again. It's pretty sketchy up on the ladder up there. So right now all we're waiting for are the windows, and that'll wrap the outside of this up. We're technically dried in with the roof and everything, the door, but we still have 3 openings, 2 of them rather large, as you can see. When it rains, it's going to rain inside. but it is just a deer cabin. So outside of that, once we get the windows put in, the only thing I left to do is bougie up the inside. So we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye. What's up, YouTube? So we finally got our windows in today from Deerview Windows. They look great. Deerview did an excellent job packaging them. Nothing was broken during shipping. So we got some weather coming in. I think it's going to rain for like 6 days from this hurricane that's getting ready to hit the US. So we're going to try and get these windows in before the rain gets here. I'm not sure if I'll be able to get them all in or not with my work schedule, but I'm going to go ahead and get started on it. Stick around. So that's going to do it for that install. Now this window did come, it wasn't pre-drilled for the mounting holes, so I had to go ahead and drill my own. I called Deerview to see what their recommendation was for the spacing on holes. So I probably put them a little too close at 6 inches, but that's what it is. So the window looks great. This is now dried in on this side. So that's one more window done, one to go.